Hello, welcome to Java Programming Tutorials, Chapter 27, Part 3, Collections in Java, HashSet, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. So in this session, we are going to learn about the HashSet class. So the HashSet class is used to create a collection that uses a hash table for storage. It internally inherits AbstractSet class and implements set interface. So these are the things about the HashSet class collection. So right now we are going to learn about the HashSet class methods, and using these methods, what are all the operations we can perform to the HashSet class. So without wasting much time, let me jump into Eclipse and let me show you like how to work with the HashSet. So the HashSet string set is equal to new. Just I'll copy and paste this just to save the time. Okay. Now, but we are getting a red squiggly telling like I have to add the reference to it, and I have to import that file library HashSet. Now, okay, this is the collection object set. Now I need to add the items to it, so I should make use of the method called add. So what I can, since it is a collection of type string, so I'm going to add like Sam. Okay, similarly let me copy and paste this. Sam, Ravi, and Brendan. Okay, Ram. So what I do is I made use of this method, add method. It is used to add the specified element to this set if it is not already present. Okay, and now I have a collection. Now I have to iterate it. So to iterate, I can make use of the iterator interface. Iterator. I have to specify the type of that iterator. It's going to iterate a string type. Okay, and itr is equal to set dot. Okay, I have to call that iterator method. So now I'm getting a red squiggly. I have to add this import iterator. Okay, so the error has disappeared. So now I can make use of while loop to iterate it. While itr dot as next. Okay, what it has to do is it's very simple. It has to iterate the collection. So what I'll do is I'll just make use of system dot out println. So itr dot as next. If it has next, iterate it. Yeah, let me check it out. itr dot next. Okay, and now when I run the program, you can observe very clearly it's going to print Ravi, Brendan, Sam, and Ram. Okay, so this is what about. Okay, I can tell you about the iterator collection. So sorry, asset collection, and what I use is I make use of the iterator interface to iterate the collection. And now when I run the program, you can observe here the collection is iterating, and we are getting the output like Ravi, Brendan, Sam, and Ram. So this is what about the collection. So we have some other methods present here, contains. So it returns the boolean value true or false. Okay, so right now here I have the set Sam, Ravi, Brendan, and Ram. Now if I want to check whether the Sam is present in the collection or not, so what I can do is I'll just copy this, and I can just like set dot contains, or it should contain Sam. If it is having that, return me true, or else return me false. So when I run the program, it's going to return me true. So Sam is present. So for example, if I print like def something like this, and if I go and trying to check whether this element is present in the collection or not, so it returns me false. This is what about the contains method does. And now we have something called remove method. It is used to remove the specified element from this set if it is present. So let me show you that also. So let me remove this. So now what I'll do is let me close this, set dot remove. So I want the Sam to be removed. So let me copy this. Right now I'm going to remove once after the iteration is done. So again, copy this. So first it will print all the 4. Next I've removed Sam, so it's going to print only the rest 3. So now we can observe here Ravi, Brendan, Sam, and Ram. One sec, what is the problem happening here? So ITR1 and your ITR1 and it's ITR1. So now when I run the program, you can observe here Ravi, Brendan, Sam and Ram is printed, but as soon as I remove this item Sam, right, it's from next, it's going to print only Ravi, Brendan and Sam. You can observe here very clearly. One sec, the problem here is Ravi, Brendan, Sam and Ram. Okay, now what I'll do is just I'll remove this collection, Control V. So now when I iterate, what it's going to do is, so still it is print. Oh, the problem is the uppercase. So now when I run the program, you can observe here the Sam is being removed. Okay, so if you want to remove an element, you can make use of the remove method and clear. So let me show you the usage of clear and size both in single example. So right now I'm having this one. So again I'll tell like set dot clear. I'm going to create another one. This is iterator 1 and this to 1 and this is also the 1. Okay, fine. Now okay, this is iterator 1. So now Sam, Ravi, Brendan and Sam, you can observe very clearly. Sam, Ravi, Brendan and Sam, iterator 1. Okay, iterator is next. Okay, this is the fine, everything is gone. Okay, now what I'll do is first set dot, or let me take the count like this. I'll just place this. So your the iterator dot size method, it returns the size of the collection. It's not the iterator, it's a set, sorry for that. Set dot size, so it's going to return the size, and once I clear the things, okay, everything in the inside the collection will be, everything inside the collection will be removed, the items in the collection will be removed. And now if I try to iterate it, okay, you can observe here when I run the program, first it's going to print 4, then it's going to iterate the collection, and finally what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to clear, I'm making use of clear method, so it is removing all the elements and so it's printing 4. Currently once I use the clear method, it's going to remove all these elements present in the collection. So now the size of the collection is 0. Okay, this is what about the thing. And now isEmpty, it is used to return true if this set contains no elements. In the sense, I have a, okay, let me remove this. And now if I tell set dot isEmpty, so it's going to return me false because this collection is not empty right now. Suppose if I remove all these things and if I just click on this, it's linked true, yes, your collection is empty. So this is what about the methods of the HashSet class, collection class. So we can make use of these methods to perform the operation on the HashSet. Okay, another special thing about HashSet classes, it is used to create a collection that uses a hash table for the storage. So this is what about the HashSet class. So finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. And also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer website. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.